Many beginners focus solely on the welding frame. However, neat results start with material preparation. Because this joint is gapless, heat positioning and control must be more precise. The pipe and plate areas must be completely clean. Small debris can cause the bead to become unstable. Okay, let's discuss the technique. The first layer uses a pulling technique. Straight movements with a consistent rhythm. Keep the electrode angle stable. Too much tilt will cause uneven melting. Use the appropriate amperage for the material. Here, I use 90100 amperage for the initial layer. In my case, this is sufficient to form a strong bond. When the weld pool begins to form, don't pull the electrode too quickly. Focus on uniting the pipe and plate. Don't just focus on the external appearance. A stable root creates a neater bead, and the final result looks denser. Once the root is complete, the slag is thoroughly cleaned. Because the next layer requires a clean surface, and quality is never built on contamination. Once thoroughly cleaned, we move on to the next step. In this step, I use the zigzag weave technique. The movements are short and consistent. The goal is to strengthen the joint. It also creates a more balanced bead. The second layer uses 80 amperes, lower to increase finishing control, because precision is the top priority at this stage. When welding begins, the rhythm of the movements is kept steady. The weld pool is allowed to flow naturally. Because professional results always look calm, there's no rush or overdoing it. At this stage, there are actually many techniques you can use, such as the semicircle or C-motion technique, or even the small circle technique. But for exercises like this, I recommend stepping out of your comfort zone and practicing with techniques you haven't yet mastered. The essence of strong welding is simply one thing: control. Because a strong joint is no accident. It's the result of proper technique, discipline, and understanding. Like, share, and subscribe.